Good morning, my honeys. Welcome back to another day in the life with me. For breakfast, I have some avocado toast with a couple of hard-boiled eggs and soy sauce. And then, oh my God, a knock on our door. We finally got our Pacific order. This has been such a hassle getting this order in. I felt so bad being out of stock on so many products from Pacific for so long, but we are fully back in stock, especially of our best-selling Pacific SPF. So definitely check that out on glowatelier.com. We have so many of our best sellers back and available to you guys, and I'm so excited about that because I can finally continue talking about them as much as I want to again. I felt so bad, but you guys already noticed and started purchasing, so here I am just packing some of your orders from the day once I switched them to available and back in stock. I just love packing your guys' orders so much. It's like one of my favorite things. I just love picking out samples for you guys, setting it up, making it look as pretty as possible with our curated packaging. It really is my favorite thing to do, so check that out. Before hopping into the rest of the video, I wanted to let you guys know that my Korean skincare store, glowatelier.com, is currently having a Mother's Day sale of up to 20% off on all anti-aging style skincare products. It is a great time to stock up of any of your favorites or try something new on my hand-picked and selected K-beauty products. Glow Atelier is completely my own store. I run it, I do everything. I literally am the one-person team on this store, so definitely check it out if you want to try some of my curated hand-selected products that I really love from South Korea that have not only revolutionized my skin but helped out a lot of other people. So check that out in the links down below. Got the car for the day because I want to go to HomeGoods because the other evening when I was shooting one of my cosplay looks, I lost an essential item for shooting photos, which was part of my remote control system. And that whole moment was me spending like an hour and a half like searching through everything everywhere imaginably possible. And it just like had me realize that not having an organization system yet for our house, for my office, for my things, leads to so many bad situations. Like, it took an hour and a half out of my shooting time and made me like really just like lose it mentally, freaking out. And it shouldn't be that way. And you might be wondering, like, girl, you've been living there for like a month and a half and you still don't have this figured out. Yes, it's correct. So I am taking the moment today to check out HomeGoods, and I might also check out Target to see if I can find stuff for putting stuff places so that we don't have this issue again. So let's go to HomeGoods. And if you're wondering what HomeGoods is like Homesense, if that clears anything up. So let's go. I got wood hangers, and then I found this monitor stand thing that I'll show you guys when I got home, which I really need because for the longest time I've just been using like a really solid glass rectangular vase as my monitor stand. So that's two organizational things. Oh, clearance section. Oh, that's not so cute. Alrighty, I just finished at HomeGoods. I got quite a good amount of stuff, but still not as much organizational things as I was hoping for. Their selection was a bit meh compared to the previous HomeGoods I've been to. So I stopped by at Target. Thankfully, it was just next door, and I'm going to hope that they probably will have more little organizational things, like little drawers is kind of what I'm looking for. So let's go. I'm really liking this lamp, but I don't see a price anywhere. Like, I feel like it was placed in the wrong section. I don't know, it's random, but I really like it. I want to find where it is. This cute picnic basket, but how much is it? There's no way it's $60. No, maybe it's this one, the $35. I have no idea. No, $60, forget it. Like, what? Oh, they got this cute fireplace too that you put on your table. I really want to get an outdoor table. I think this would be really smart in our front closet for our shoes. So I found it and it's $70, but I don't know if I need this right now. To be honest, I kind of prefer this one. It's a lot more affordable too, $40. So I've now come to the domain to kill some time, browse around. Apparently this place sells cookware that's 50% off right now, so let's go have a look-see. Oh, cute. Oh. Nothing there that I liked, so let's keep shopping around. This place looks kind of cute. Let's go in.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's okay. But everything in there was like $175 worth. I really like this style of table, but not for $3,000. What? I'm like that person that comes in these places and doesn't buy a thing ever. Like never. Pretty hungry. It's like 3:30 and I haven't eaten a thing yet today. So actually, wait, no, I had that for gyoza, but anyway, I want to go to a cute restaurant. Come to this super cute restaurant called Flower Child that I've heard quite a little bit about. And I'm super hungry, super thirsty, and of course I had to get myself a wine. It's pretty windy out today, so I'm not too sure how eating out here is gonna go. But I thought it was so cute on the balcony, I just had to. So we're coming back to Target because there was a console table for the front door I really liked for $45, but it was too heavy for me to lift, so HoneyBii is gonna help me. Yay!
My junk!
$40, amazing.
45.
45, oh they tricked us. It said 40. We saw these ice cream sandwiches when we were walking out, so we were like, they look so good. Wow. We are obsessed with cookies and cream ice cream sandwiches. They're so good. Wow, this cookie looks intense.
Is it nice?
Yeah. You might like it more than me though.
No, I don't.
I prefer the Oreo style cookies. This one's like a really chewy cookie with chocolate chunks in it, which is also good. Here is everything that I got yesterday from HomeGoods and from Target. So I got some placemats because the only eating surface we have so far is marble and it does stain easily, so I want to protect it. And when we get a kitchen table, I want to just have little protective things as well. I got a toothbrush holder in this beautiful stained color. And I also got a Q-tip holder as well, a butter dish, because for like a year I've just been using a teacup from a China collection and I don't really want to be doing that, so that one's really, really cute. I got a makeup holder for my brushes, for my office. I got more inner organizers for my drawers because I haven't had enough for like years. As you guys saw, I got this monitor stand, which I can't wait to set up. Perfect. I got that cookie baking sheet from HomeGoods. I got a giant pot for my Majesty Palm and some potting mix so I can repot it finally. I got this kind of lampshade type candle holder thing that I actually want to try to use as a lampshade because it's in the style that I really like, but I'm not too sure if I'll be able to do that, to be honest. And then you guys saw I got this organizer for the shoes in the closet. I got this lamp from Target as well, which I'm so excited to set up. And then of course I got some light bulbs for the lamp, some additional plug extenders, and this acrylic organizer drawer for my desk. Right, my boy? Yeah, that's what I got. Sweet. This is what our front door shoe situation has been like for a while. We really need like that media, or not that media unit, but a console, entryway console here. Always so put off on how much junk mail we get here. Like, it is aggressive, the amount of junk that we get. But then you guys saw from Target, we also got this console unit for literally $40. Can you believe it? It is absolutely perfect for this area, and because it's so cheap, I'm totally okay to have my way with it and DIY it. So I will be setting this up today, but I probably won't be able to DIY it for a while. I just have a nightlight back there, so don't mind that. I know it looks kind of meh, but I don't like the dark at night. So for the idea with the DIY concept, my whole thought process, because if you guys know, which you might not remember, I hate black furniture. It's just like, I don't mind black accents, but I don't like black furniture. So what I want to do is I want to kind of ceramic tile the top with like white or like cream beige tiles. I don't know, whatever I can find, honestly. And then on the sides, I want to do like this style of wood perhaps, or maybe just bamboo, I don't know, some sort of like striped wood, and then with the tiles on top. That's kind of the idea process. Or maybe I'll just do the whole thing like creamy white tiles like down the side and the top, and then just the inner parts will be black. I don't know, we'll see. I repotted my Majesty Palm, so now it won't become root bound and it can hopefully grow nice and tall. And I set up the lamp. I love it. This is like the perfect amount of light in here at nighttime.